How to sign out your account on GhibliArt AI. If you want to log out your account from GhibliArt AI, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have connected to your internet. After that, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. On the search bar, type in GhibliArt AI and click on enter, and you'll see this home page of GhibliArt website. Now first you need to log into your account. To log into your account, you can see the sign in option on the top right corner. Click on sign in and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you need to click on the sign up to create a new account. After you log into your account, you can see your profile icon on the top right corner. Simply click on your profile icon and you can see different details about your profile. Here, to log out from your account, you see this sign out option. Simply click on the sign out and you will be logged out from your account. So this is how you can sign out from GhibliArt AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.